Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about definition of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about the limit and delta x approach to number 0. So we have f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. So I will put this one going here. So they have like this. F of x, that is about 2x plus 4. So we need to expand this one. Next, 2x minus 2x, 4 minus 4. So we have like this. Delta x divided by delta x, we have number 2 in here. And we have the final answer. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.